All right, it is that time of year again. That's right, it's fish fry time. But this year is going to be just a little bit different. How different? Let's talk about it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another beautiful episode of Behind the Counter with Nick Allen. Now, I know what you're thinking right now. This episode looks just a little bit different than all the other episodes. Well, you'd be right, correct, because this year's fish fry is going to be a little bit different than all the other fish fries. How different? Well, it's going to be virtual. That's right. It's going to be an online fish fry. Well, I'm telling you right now, it's not going to be quite as delicious as all the others, but the savings are going to be delicious. And either way, it's going to be making a huge virtual splash. Now, let's talk about the products and the discounts that we are going to have for this year's fish fry. Now, this is simply a sample of the brands and the products that we're going to have for you. Let's talk about them. So first up, we've got Eaton Wiring Cooper devices, some switches, receptacles, and plugs across the board. Up next, we've got Klein hand tools, any and all Klein hand tools, but the one that we all love and know, Milwaukee, that's right, Milwaukee, all Milwaukee, Klein and Cooper, 10% discount across the board. But we've got more, 5% discount, including Flint Walling, any and all pumps, Walridge, Brasscraft, Gas Tight, DWV fittings, any and all of these 5% off across the board. All of these products for you. But one of the big things that we've got every single year, the door prizes. That's what you guys come for. The fish, the door prizes, the discounts. That's right. Here's a sample of the door prizes that we're going to have for you. Now, how do we get the door prizes? What do we do? How do we make all of this happen? Well, that's the easy part. Let's talk about it. How easy is it? Super easy. Go to Eckert's website and the top front banner is going to be the fish fry. Click on that banner. Now, that is a link that will take you to the page to create an account. But if you already have an account, it's perfect. Your account is going to be set up where all you have to do is add the items to the cart and your discounts will automatically be applied for you. That's it. Nothing extra, nothing special. It's easy for you. Your discounts will be automatically applied and you'll get all of your discounts across the board 100%. All right, so if you have any questions about the fish fry in any way, shape, or form, contact us here at Eckert Supply. We'll definitely walk you through it. But this Thursday, Friday, the 16th and 17th, from midnight to midnight, that's when everything happens. That's when it goes down. So make sure you guys are checking it out. What I need you to do until then is to like, share, and comment on this video. Get it out there so everyone knows about the fish fry. But until then, come on in, see us at the counter. We'll see you soon.